Honey Pain by Koe Wetzel is going to be played in standard tuning, and it does pretty much the same thing the whole song. It's a walking or a moving rhythm that comes out of an E minor. So for this song, you want to put your ring finger on the 2-string 3 fret, and it's going to remain there for the entirety of the song. And then you'll be moving the chords with your first and your second fingers for also the entire song. So your first finger for the opening chord needs to be on the 5-string 2 fret, and again your ring finger is going to be on the 2-string 3 fret. So what this basically is an E minor. You're going to hit the open 6 string, and then open 4, open 3. The next movement is going to be moving with your first finger to the 6-string 2 fret. You'll plug that and you'll go open 4, open 3 again. So we've got, and I'll talk a little bit more about the rhythm and the feel with your right hand in just a second, because there's a bit more nuance going on than just, but those are the first two movements. Open 6 string. And we want to put our first finger on the 5-string 2 fret just because once the song gets rolling, the right hand gets a bit more strummy inside of these chords. The third movement is going to move with your second finger to the 6-string 3 fret, so we're making a G chord. And then you hit the open 4 and the open 3. So we've got the E minor to F sharp to the G. And then your first finger needs to go to the 5-string 2 fret. And then you'll hit the open 4 and open 3 again. And then your second finger will go to the 5-string 3 fret. And as you strike this chord, you'll be striking the 5 string where your second finger is. The 4 string will be open, but you'll immediately be hammering with your first finger to the 4-string 2 fret in that C, like. Alright, and that's the movement just the entire time. The rhythm for this song is going to be one of two things, either down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up on each chord, like down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And of course, the second down ups, you're emphasizing the 4 and the 3. But sometimes it becomes a bit more strummy, like a down, up, 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 down, with each first down of the round emphasizing whatever the root is. The open 6, 6-string 2 fret, 6-string 3 fret, 5-string 2 fret, 5-string 3 fret. But then the subsequent up, down, ups are hitting the mid register of these strings right here. And then also in the C chord, I didn't mention this earlier, sometimes the pick hits up on the 2-string 3 fret, comes back down to open 3 and then the 4-string 2 fret where your first finger is, and then hit the open 1 string, and then hit the 2 string. And as far as the rhythm, a lot of it is just very, very feel. It's a light touch, and it's something that sometimes you might want to dig into a bit more, and sometimes you want to dig a bit less. At times in the song, Koe Wetzel, instead of falling back to the E minor, I think it's a mistake, or technically maybe it's a bit of a mess up, but it works, and they left it in the recording. Instead of going back to the E minor, you can hear sometimes his pick hits just the 5-string 2 fret, like that B note, and then moves into the F sharp and then G. So it would sound like this. The first round I'll do the normal way, emphasizing the open 6, and then the second time through I'll emphasize what I just referenced, which is the 5-string 2 fret. So there's not really, I can't determine any rhyme or reason to when that happens, other than that I think it's actually just a bit of a mistake that his pick doesn't go far enough down to hit the open 6, but his first finger is in position right there on the 5-string 2 fret, and it's that note that gets struck. One last little embellishment that I can hear right at the end of the song. You can hear that little hammer-on happen in the C chord. That's first finger. I say it's a hammer, it's really a down, up with your right hand. But then your first finger is going down to the 3-string 2 fret, coming up, going down, coming up, and then first finger to the 4-string 2 fret, and then up on the open 3 and 4. And then back into the E minor. So those are the chords and the movements to Honey Pain by Koe Wetzel. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to approach the song.